Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by taking immediate control. Sign in as the owner and review recent device streaming activity to spot shared devices. Once done, change the account password to a strong, unique passphrase and update the account email if it's shared. Make sure to note any profiles you'll keep and remove or rename stray profiles now. This step prevents further logins while you complete the transition, and it gives you a clear list of which devices will need forced sign out next. Next, force everyone off the account. Choose sign out of all devices to require the new password for every stream. Once that's applied, remove unwanted profiles and, where available, set profile lock PINs to stop former users from recreating access. If someone needs their data, transfer or export watch lists and downloads before deleting profiles. Then change the password again if you suspect it was shared in plain text. Make sure email recovery is secure and enable any available extra account protections. Finally, test the setup. Sign back in on your device, confirm profiles and settings, and verify only authorized people can recreate access. If someone keeps accessing the account, contact Netflix support to report unauthorized use and request further enforcement. If legitimate users cannot sign in, reset the password again and confirm the recovery email or phone number. This usually resolves lockouts. One troubleshooting tip: if an unknown device persists in activity logs, revoke all sessions, then...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.